If you're looking to enjoy If you're looking to enjoy conversations in English, start with the basics and make sure that your verbs are agreeing with your subjects. Is and are is a great way to do that. So, how do you know when to use is? When you're talking about one thing, one person, or one animal, use is. What about are though? Well, when you're talking about more than one person, thing, or animal, use are. Okay? So, quiz time. It's very simple. She blank studying. Tell me what it is. She is studying. Why? Because it's one person. Number 2, the horses blank sleeping in the barn. The horses are sleeping in the barn because why? It's more than one horse. We have all of these horses on the field and they're going in the barn. Okay? What blank they going to do tomorrow? I almost gave you the answer. The clue here is the word they. It's more than one. So it's what are they doing tomorrow? They could be your cousins, the students, the teachers, whatever noun you want to put there in replace of they. What are they going to do tomorrow? So there you go. Learning how to use is and are when you are writing or speaking will help you be more confident while you're having conversations at work, in meetings, and anywhere in public. You just want to speak right so that you can build your confidence up. All right, guys, my name is LaDoris. I'm an American pronunciation coach helping you speak English clearer. And why am I getting so excited? It's because I love helping you with this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Choose, ciao, y adios.